Carenic Professional Hairdressing and Beauty College, Chiveta approved, offer advanced diploma and certificate courses in full cosmetology, hairdressing, beauty therapy, nail technology, holistic massage, training of trainers, and catheodami facial therapies. Carenic College is located in Nairobi, Donholm, Solar World Building, Manyanja Road. Enrollment is ongoing. Call us on 0722 840 713, 0707 373889, or apply online on www.carenic-college.com. Carenic College. Excellence is our obsession.